PNC Bank Mortgage Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get mortgages wrong. They assume all banks offer the same rates, terms, and processes. The surprising truth about PNC Bank is that it combines competitive rates, personalized guidance, and digital tools, and you won't believe how much smoother the mortgage process can be when you know what to look for. Here's how it works. PNC offers a variety of mortgage options, including fixed rate, adjustable rate, FHA, VA, and jumbo loans. You can start with an online pre-approval to see your potential budget, then work with a mortgage advisor who guides you through applications, underwriting, and closing. For example, a first-time homebuyer looking for a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage can use PNC's online calculators to estimate monthly payments, then schedule a consultation with a PNC loan officer to customize the plan. Most people get this wrong. They assume pre-approval is final, but PNC emphasizes full documentation, credit evaluation, and personalized advice to prevent surprises. Additional features include a user-friendly online portal to track your application, e-signature options, and educational resources for budgeting and down payments. Users praise transparency, ease of communication, and access to specialized programs for first-time buyers. However, there are considerations. Some products may have higher fees compared to competitors, and eligibility requirements vary based on credit and income. Most people assume the lowest advertised rate is available to everyone. It's important to discuss your unique financial situation with a loan officer. In conclusion, PNC Bank is ideal for home buyers who want a combination of online convenience and personal guidance with a variety of mortgage options and educational tools to make the home buying process more manageable. Subscribe for more honest reviews of banking and mortgage services.